Hey guys, Aaron here, and this is going to be the new car for the channel. So if you were worried that we weren't going to have any more 986 content, fear not. There's going to be a lot of work to do on this thing. All right, so this is Barry. He is the one selling this Boxster. So Barry, give us a little overview of what I'm getting myself into here.
Okay, Aaron, my pleasure. I bought the car about 2 years ago. Ran beautifully for about a year, put 10,000 miles on it. And the car stopped running. The engine just stopped on me. I came home and found 2 holes in the cam cover, which is down here on the ground, right over here. And then there's another one somewhere over there. So it looked to me like a piece of metal of some kind flew off and hit from the inside out, the cam cover. And as I pulled it apart, I found that the scavenger pump, which fits on here, was actually scarred and broken, a piece off of it, and the sprocket, the cam chain sprocket inside that the scavenger pump connects into, it had a piece knocked off. So my theory was, because I have limited resources, no lift and limited tools, if I replace these 3 parts, maybe I'll fix it. It failed.
So you replace those 3 parts, and that's the current state of it right now?
That's the current state of it right now, and I tried to start it. I had a weak battery, and it would turn over. It went run, 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 about like that. And maybe 10, maybe 15 minutes it did this. And I thought to myself, oh, that's good, because that indicates there's not something inside the engine that might be bad. Well, then it locked up. So after it locked up, I thought, this is beyond my scope of ability, and it's time to see if someone like Aaron would like to work on this car.
Yes, so this is going to be the new project. So we will have a how to remove an engine from a 986 series coming up. And also this is an automatic. One of the guys out there was hoping that I would get an automatic, so you're welcome. We're getting an automatic. Somebody else suggested doing a manual swap on an automatic 986, that he had done one, so I don't know. If we get really adventurous, then maybe we'll get that far. But this is the car. So we're gonna push this thing onto a trailer, get it back to the shop. So if you guys have any recommendations, things you'd like to see with this, let me know. And make sure you're subscribed, and we'll get the whole rest of the series. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens. All right, here she is in the garage in her final resting space, I think, for quite a while is gonna be my guess. So overall, not in bad condition. The body is actually really nice. I like the wheels. But she does not run. So I don't even really know where to start on this other than pulling out the engine and looking it over. So all of my viewers that have a lot more experience in these kind of things than me, let me know, what would you do first? What should I do? Should I test? I haven't even tried to crank it or anything, because he says it's just locked up. So I don't want to do any more damage, but would you test anything before starting to disassemble? Any visual things I can look at to inspect, or get any ideas of what could be going on with this guy? Yeah, let me know in the comments below, please. So if you're not a subscriber by now, by all means subscribe, because this is going to be a pretty fun journey, I think. Well, for you guys at least. I think it's going to be a lot of work and a PITA for me, but we will see. So give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. So yeah, follow along the journey. We'll see what happens. I'll see you guys on the next one.